Good morning students and welcome back to Alchemy online classes. Students, yesterday we have learned about our Prime Minister. Today one more important part of our government, that is our Parliament. Now first of all, open your course book and come to page number 33. Now student, see the chart on the page number 33 that the Parliament is the chief law making body of India and it has three main parts. Which one? President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Now we will see picture of our Parliament and we will see what is going in what is the work of Parliament, how the people of Parliament are working, how the member of Parliament are working. So student, we have learned that Parliament is having three main parts: President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. In our previous classes, we have discussed about President. Today, first we will see Lok Sabha and then Rajya Sabha. The people of the country directly elect the members of the Lok Sabha. They are called Member of Parliament or MPs. The Lok Sabha members are elected for 5 years. Like if we have given vote in 2020, the person is elected in 2020. So he is the member of Parliament for next 5 years, means till 2025. There are 552 members in the Lok Sabha. Only Indian citizens of the age 25 or above are eligible to contest the Lok Sabha election. The Speaker presides over the Lok Sabha. Non-residential Indian or the person who is not having Indian citizenship, he or she cannot be a part of Parliament. He or she cannot be a member of Parliament, because if anyone wants to be a part of our Parliament, he or she must have the citizenship of India and they have to live in India. Now we will see the second part of Rajya Sabha. Parliament, that is Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is the permanent house and cannot be dissolved. The Rajya Sabha members are elected by the Legislative Assembly. Each member is elected for a period of 6 years. The maximum number of members is 250, out of which 12 are nominated by the President of India. The Vice President presides over the Rajya Sabha. So as we saw, there are main features of Parliament, or the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are Parliament is divided into two houses. First is Lok Sabha and second one is Rajya Sabha. Member of Lok Sabha are chosen by the people of country and they are chosen for 5 years. Members of Rajya Sabha are chosen by the members of Lok Sabha and they are elected for 6 years. 552 members are there in Lok Sabha and 250 members are there in Rajya Sabha. Members of Lok Sabha are known as MPs or Members of Parliament. Now we'll come to the state legislature body. The state legislature is divided into Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council. Some states are having legislative council. Members are elected directly by the people of the state through election, and these members are called MLA. Governor, Chief Minister and Council of Ministers manage the administration of state. Now come to page number 34. We'll see the state government. The law-making body at the state level is called Legislative Assembly. However, states like Jammu Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Telangana have both the Legislative Assembly and or Vidhan Sabha and the Legislative Council or Vidhan Parishad. Members of the Legislative Assembly or MLAs are elected by the people, each state for 5 years. The Governor, Chief Minister and the Council of Ministers manage the administration of the state. So we can see any of the any state is having one of the Linguistic Assembly or the Linguistic Council. Legislative Assembly is Legislative Assembly is known as Vidhan Sabha and Legislative Council is known as Vidhan Parishad. And member of that assembly are known as MLA. And the Governor, Chief Minister and Council Minister handle the work of the state. They are known as the administration body of the assembly or the council. And now we will learn about the speaker. Who is the speaker and what is the work of speaker? Sumitra Mahajan is the speaker of the 16th Lok Sabha. She is the second woman to hold the office after Meera Kumar. As the speaker is handling work of Lok Sabha, presides Lok Sabha, the vice president presides Rajya Sabha. Now we'll see about the president. The president, as we learn, the president is the first person of our country, first citizen, and he or she is the head of the state of India. The elected member of the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the Legislative Assembly together elect the President of India. He or she is elected for 5 years and he or she appoints the judge of High Court, Supreme Court and the head of our Indian Army Force. And they have power to appoint chiefs of Army, Air Force and Navy. And the bill which are passed by the government, they become the law. But that power is having only to the president. Only president is having power to take the decision or pass any bill for our country. So, student, today we learn about our parliament and 3 parts of our parliament. Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, 2 main house of parliament. First is Lok Sabha and second one is Rajya Sabha, and third thing we learn about the president. We learn that president is the first citizen of the country and he is having power to appoint Supreme Court judge, High Court judge, Navy chief, Army chief, Air Force chief, and he or she is having power to pass any parliament bill which become the law of our country.